Hey guys and gals, let's go ahead and open up a mystery box from my mom. You're never too old to get some loving from your mom. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we've got a mystery unboxing here. Mystery unboxing. My mom sends me random gifts every now and then, something in the mail. We all like something in the mail. And she let me know that there's a box coming from Walmart. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what it is. My mom and I like to send each other stuff in the mail because we don't really live near each other and only see each other like once a year. So kind of fun to get something personal in the mail, you know. And here is that Church's Chicken coleslaw again. I really need to review this. Anyway, let's go ahead and, this thing is heavy. Let's go ahead and weigh this thing first. I'm so curious to see how much it weighs. Go ahead, turn the scale on. Hopefully this box isn't too heavy for the scale. Go ahead and tear that scale. Battery is low. Is the battery too low? The batteries are too low. What a fail. Forget it. Let's just open it up, but it's heavy. I have no idea what's in it. But my mother is not immune from getting reviewed by Ryan on Silly Reviews. Now, as I'm finding a knife to open this up, go ahead, take the time to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I've got almost 1,000 videos at this point. There's gotta be something for everybody. All right, let's cut this daddy open and see what's inside. I am wearing my helmet cam, or my helmet headband, phone holder, I should say. So I hope I'm getting this action. I hope I'm getting this action for you guys, okay? Here we go. What is in here? Is it one big thing? Is it a bunch of things? She likes to send me food. Our family has always given each other food. Just a thing we do. All right, here we go. Pop the top, boop bop. Oh, I see cans, I see food. Always a big help down here. Always a big help. And I can use this stuff for shipping, for stuff I sell on eBay. Oh, we hit the jackpot. We got the good grub. We got the good grub. Look at this, mom coming through. Ryan for Silly Reviews had a really tough 2019 money. So tight, super tight. That's why you always see me making those budget videos. And 2020 is going to be better. But man, she hooked me up with better than, I was gonna say Staples. I mean better than Staples because this is primo looking stuff here. Whoa, we all know how expensive beef jerky is. Oh my goodness. The big boy Jack's Links. Got 2 of those. That's 2 thumbs up. What do we have here? Quaker protein bars. That's a meal replacement. That's the, wait, no, what is this? Oh, Quaker oatmeal protein. Banana nut, personal favorite. Damn. Gotta hook mom up something nice once Ryan's back in business. Hit him with the white chicken premium chicken breast Swanson. 3 jars of Crazy Richard. Oh, Crazy Richard. You know that guy. He's crazy. Crunchy peanut butter. 1, 2, 3. Whoa. I see some cans down here. What could those cans be? If I had to guess, man, I really like, well, what does my mom know I like? Oh, man. Big cans of chunky soup. That's going to be my guess. Let's see. Okay. Oh, you guys, man, I got to give my mom a phone call right after this. Doesn't matter how old you are, man. Love your parents. Let them know. They let you know. Look at this. It's not like my mom is a rich lady or anything. Chicken cheese enchilada. This was in our household. When we popped open some soup, it was always this soup, and they even used to have a different variety that was like low fat, I believe, because back then, now we're talking 25 years ago, 20 years ago, you know, low fat was the craze. Man, did she hit me 4 times with these? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow. Whoa. Oh yeah. Nice. Gotta get on the phone with mom. She gets 2 thumbs up. Then she's gonna get the very rare 4 thumbs up. That's a total of 6. Ryan for Silly Reviews, thanks for watching. Go call your mom. Don't forget to call your mom. Give her a hug. By the time '09 rolled around, I was looking up consent ages in my local town. 16 would be sweet, and you know I couldn't wait. 6 more years and Raymond would have a date. I asked Dad for his blessing and he hesitated. He was begging me to wait, so we had a debate. Daddy let me penetrate. How about